If we're seeing a pause as simply an absence of sound, and that's all it is, no wonder it feels awkward and uncomfortable because we think, oh, I should be talking here, but I'm not. And I've created an absence of sound, which is now weird. But here's how I want you to start reframing the pause. If I go through without pausing, two things happen. Number one, I don't give my audience an opportunity to digest what I'm saying. The second thing is, when I don't pause, I don't seem as in control of my words. I come across as a bit more nervous. Rather than seeing pause as simply the absence of sound, I want you to see if you can start reframing it as, when I pause, I give my audience an opportunity to actually digest and understand what I'm saying. When I pause, I do come across as more confident and more in control.